What are you doing? Are you working? How come you're not mule driving anymore? What? I know. It's not too hard. Oh yeah. It is on your hands, yep. Do ya? Yeah. Amy. Awesome. This is Mexican pudding. That's what it is.
He said Mexican flan.
Well, yeah. And well, it's pudding. But that's what it's called, yeah. Flan.
Flan?
Yeah. Something like that.
Better homemade than that you buy in the store.
Oh yeah. I think everything is like better.
It's really good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think he's 50. I think Lauren's like 48. How old's Lauren? Do you know? He doesn't look like he's 50.
That's what he said.
Hey girl. Real quick, tell me a funniest joke that you know.
What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball?
Oh my god. That is horrible. That was horrible. I'm taking my car in for an oil change, my first oil change. It has like 1,800 miles on it, I think. I took it to Iowa for Mother's Day, so we're gonna get an oil change today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, so you can see, so you can see what that's all about. And we're gonna do some vacuuming on this car, so it doesn't look so dirty inside. They don't think I'm a dirty slob. I think that's a great idea. I need to get some vacuuming done, guys. Anyway, when they do check on my car, look at it, they always put a special mat on where my feet go, so I like that. Good old Randy Reed, I'm glad I bought my car from them. They take care of me. I get three oil changes free. So, and then I got tire insurance. It's like $6 a month, I think. In case I have tire or wheel problems or something. So that helps too. I can get my tires replaced, and that always helps. So let's get back to vacuuming. It's not going to vacuum itself. All this dirt came from, because nobody even rides back there.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
That takes care of that. Whoa. Hey, nice belt. Let's go ahead and get this oil changed in my 2021 Grand Cherokee Laredo X.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I have an oil change.
Oh, you'll go back through this doorway all the way back until you hit the glass door.
All right, thank you. Hello. I have an oil change at 11:30.
On your Jeep right there? Awesome. How are you doing that so far?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Where's the parking spot?
Right in the front, where the customer by the yellow, whatever, bumpers.
We've got that we're gonna be doing an oil change in, tire rotation for you.
Okay, awesome. Here are the keys.
Are you still on Locust?
Yes, sir.
Okay, alright, I'll get it. What color is it?
It's the black wheels and the flat gray color, the silver. Yeah.
I'll get you fixed up and get you in line.
All right, thank you.
Are you hanging around?
Yeah, I'll hang around. Yep. Appreciate it.
Your Jeep has a monitoring system that monitors the oil.
Okay.
It's just one step down from where your speed is. You push the one arrow down, it goes to vehicle information. And this area, it tells you a lot of stuff about the vehicle, your tire pressure.
Okay.
It also keeps track of oil temperatures, but it also keeps track of oil life.
Okay.
Your oil life is currently at 67%. You can run that down, clear down to like 6 and 8% before you really get concerned about the oil change. In your particular car, it's going to be, because of the quality of oil that you use, you're going to change it once a year.
Okay.
On its birthday, which is in March in your case.
Okay.
Or when you get down to the oil consumption gets low.
All right.
Which will be probably around 7,500, maybe even 10,000 miles, just depending when you're driving.
Okay. Well, I saw on Google that some people were getting it changed out within like 15 miles or 1,500
yeah.
because of the shrapnel, metal, or whatever that can be found when it's a new car.
That's correct. That's
okay.
Correct. Some people do that. In the Jeep line product, though, the vehicles the motors come pre-broke from the factory.
Okay.
With high quality, full synthetic oil.
Okay.
So there's no need to have any concern about any braking period. You just get in the Jeep and enjoy it.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Appreciate it. You have a great weekend.
All
We'll
right.
see you a few more miles from now.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
That was horrible.